My director is behind the camera over there. Her name's Abby. She's a Beagle mix with one brown eye and one blue eye, just to let you know. Welcome to the makeup community. My name's Chris and I am super excited but super nervous at the same time. I wanted to do this for a while now, and a couple months ago I decided to go ahead and pull the trigger. What I wanted, what I envisioned is a YouTube channel / social channel for people who love makeup, kind of put together. We have discussion section where the comments are. Now there is a community area on YouTube channels, but what I found out when I was on my iPad, is you can't get to it unless you're on a computer. And I want everybody to be able to get to it. So if you are a seasoned professional makeup artist, or you're just starting to experiment with makeup, or you just like makeup, or you like watching makeup channels because it's fun, that is exactly who the community needs. It's just a good time. Now, I'm going to try not to edit too much, which this could be interesting. If you don't know me, my name's Chris. I'm graceful on the inside and more slapstick comedy unintentionally on the outside. Plus, my best friend says that I'm a girl with a heart of an angel and mouth of a trucker. So I might have to start using vegetables instead of cuss words in there. So we'll just see how that goes. So makeup is for everybody. Makeup is for every gender, every skin tone, every income level, every ability, every disability. This is one of the things why I wanted to start this, is because I have tremors. You're going to notice that in my voice sometimes. You're definitely going to notice it in my hands. I have a genetic condition, and it is called Parkinson's syndrome. So it is a degenerative condition. So I will see a beautiful look on a YouTube channel and I have to tweak it a little bit just to make it work. And I thought, you know what, I get a little more confident if I feel like I look good, and so I can go out and face the day, because people can be rude. People can be very rude about it. And I'm sure that there are others out there who are like, hey, you know, I really like this and I want to feel good about myself, but it's a little tricky. That's what this grew out of. And then when I started telling people, they said, hey, you know what, I need like a makeup for dummies, makeup 101. I don't know much about it. Can you help me? Things like that. And so all of these requests started pouring in, and I thought, oh my gosh, let's get some pros in here. Let's get people who just love makeup in here. I'm a makeup fan. I'm an x-ray tech / CAT scan tech by trade, you know, but I love makeup and I know what works with tremors if you have any special conditions. So that's actually where this grew out from. Also, one of my dear friends is a guy who wears makeup, and you know, I think that that's great. I think if you're a guy and you want to wear makeup, absolutely, because makeup is for everybody. So I need requests. Bring them in. Let me know what topics you want to cover. I've already got some requests here. Let's see. Please show me how to make my makeup last, especially when I am sweating. Oh, I got you, girl. I got you. I've got a good sweat proof. Went to the fair this year with that on, and it stayed on. How to do eyebrows. I got you covered there. A quick everyday look in 10 minutes. No problem. Quick everyday look in 5 minutes. Still no problem. I don't like the feeling of foundation on my skin. Texture issues. Can you recommend a good powder foundation? Yes. What brushes should I get? How to apply eyeliner. Now that's one that with my tremors, I'm actually going to have somebody come in and kind of help out with the winged liner look, step in and show that. I need a basic makeup 101, like Makeup for Dummies. I mentioned that one already. Please don't forget more affordable options. Absolutely. You know what? You don't have to spend a lot of money to have really good makeup. A lot of it's in technique, to be honest with you. Looks for men, both natural and going out. Absolutely. Please, for the love of Pete, don't overuse the words pigmented or stunning. But what if they are really pigmented and stunning? I'll try not to. I'm more worried about the cuss words than the pigmented and stunning, but you know, I'll put that on the list. Do more natural, everyday looks, not all glam all the time. Absolutely. That's, yeah. Bridal and special occasion, I got you covered there. Show me how to, I love this one. Show me how to use blush and highlighter so I don't look like a clown. I got you, girl. I got you covered. I'll go over it, absolutely. Cut crease and smoky shadow looks, both beautiful, absolutely. A lot easier than you would think. You know, a lot of people are really nervous to do cut crease, and it's really a lot easier than you think. Don't show only new products. You know what, I got you covered there because I got some tried and true, and there are some new products that are coming out that, you know, I'm super excited about. I got my Tutti Frutti Berry eyeshadow palette in today. I can't wait to start using that. But I got some tried and true that there is nothing I've seen so far is going to replace it. And still, even if the best thing ever comes out, I'm still going to grab for it. Something that a couple people brought up that I think is important to talk about is the bullying. And since I'm watching my curse words when it's jerks, there are some people who are beautiful on the outside, but absolutely evil on the inside. Just horrible souls. Horrible people. There are also people who just want to pick at other people because they feel bad about themselves and they're lashing out. But I know it's going to come. It's going to come. You know, my best friend told me, hey, because you're doing looks for men and you're real supportive of the LGBTQ community, you're going to get some hate. I know that that's going to come. One of the YouTubers that I watch and really enjoy said somebody went on her channel and said, oh, you're ugly. Just, that's it. I'm like, you've got to be kidding me. She's beautiful. That's okay. I mean, it's not okay, but we're going to take care of it, and we'll figure out how to take care of it as a community when it comes. In the meantime, if somebody says something horrible and I haven't seen it yet and been able to delete it, just don't feed the trolls. That's all I got to say. I can block people, and you know, I don't want to get to the point where I have to moderate every comment, but if I do, I will, because it's okay if they come after me. I don't want them coming after somebody in the community, especially, you know, if it's high school kids who are starting to learn makeup and they can end up bullying at school. Like, that's been going on since the invention of school, and that's going to go on for years to come. I want this to be a really comfortable, positive, fun community for everybody. So we are not going to let the fear of that take away from our fun. That's basically it. So that's about it for this welcome video. If you want to be part of this community, which I really hope you do, if you love makeup, if you want to support the idea that makeup is for everybody, you know, if you got special considerations, it doesn't matter, or disability, I hate the word disabilities, but it's for everybody, every gender, every ability, disability, income level. If you want to support that, come on in. If you're a professional makeup artist or just beginning, come on in. If you just want a way to be able to talk to somebody that you don't get to talk to often, come on in. Or meet new friends who love makeup too. So if you like that, hit that subscribe button down there and click the notification bell, because that'll let you know when I upload a video. I'm going to upload 2 to 3 times a week, but the discussion section is going to be open all the time. And the biggest thing, because we're just starting out, this is the first thing that I'm going to be posting out there. Tell people, if you know somebody who likes makeup, tell them, spread the word, and we will make this an absolutely wonderful, positive, fun place to be. The makeup community is going to be great. I know it. We all work together and we're going to make it fun. So that's it. I'll talk to you guys in the discussion area. No, comments area, but for us, discussion area. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.